How are the Troubles reflected in popular culture? If you're curious about how the Troubles in Northern Ireland have been portrayed in popular culture, you're about to uncover a complex and multifaceted reflection of a tumultuous period in history. The Troubles, a 30-year conflict that lasted from the late 1960s to 1998, have been depicted in various forms of media, each offering a unique perspective on the events and their impact. Let's start with films. Movies like Hunger by Steve McQueen and In the Name of the Father by Jim Sheridan bring the harsh realities of the conflict to the screen. Hunger focuses on the 1981 Irish hunger strike led by Bobby Sands, while In the Name of the Father tells the story of the Guildford Four, who were wrongly convicted of an IRA bombing. In literature, authors have delved into the personal and societal impacts of the Troubles. Novels such as Cal by Bernard McClaverty and Eureka Street by Robert McLean Wilson provide intimate narratives of life during this period. These works often explore themes of identity, community, and the struggle for peace in a divided society. Music has also played a significant role in reflecting the Troubles. Artists like U2, with songs like Sunday Bloody Sunday, and the Cranberries, with Zombie, have used their music to address the violence and political tensions. These songs not only capture the mood of the time, but also serve as a form of protest and call for peace. Television has been another medium where the Troubles are frequently depicted. Shows like Derry Girls and Bloody Sunday offer different angles on the conflict. Derry Girls is a comedy drama that sets its story against the backdrop of the Troubles, highlighting the everyday lives of teenagers amidst the turmoil. On the other hand, Bloody Sunday is a dramatic retelling of the 1972 Bloody Sunday incident, where British soldiers fired on unarmed civil rights protesters. In addition to these forms of media, documentaries and historical series have provided detailed and factual accounts of the Troubles. For example, the Imperial War Museum's video series on the Troubles offers a comprehensive look at the history and key moments of the conflict. Theater has also been a platform for exploring the Troubles. Plays like The History of the Troubles, According to My Day by Martin Lynch, and The Ferryman by Jez Butterworth delve into the personal stories and broader historical context of the conflict. These plays often highlight the complex web of relationships and the enduring impact of the Troubles on families and communities. Overall, the Troubles have been reflected in popular culture through a wide range of media, each providing a unique lens through which to understand this complex and tumultuous period in Northern Ireland's history. These portrayals not only educate but also serve as a reminder of the human cost and the ongoing quest for peace and reconciliation.